So Param Labs is currently doing an airdrop which is Param tokens. So in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can go ahead and farm this airdrop. Now this airdrop farming is pretty simple and it's absolutely free. You don't have to spend a single dime in order to farm this airdrop. So all you have to do is you will need to create an account on Param Gaming. Now you can use my sign up referral link in the description as it really supports my channel. So all you have to do is once you create your account on Param Gaming, you have to go in earn points over here and you have to complete some basic task over here. So as you can see, it's simple tasks like join the Discord channel, like, retweet, and basically comment on their post. Now once you join their Discord channel, and if you check over here, they have this 2x Param points for social engagement. So basically if you like, retweet and comment with Param, you will be getting 2x bonus till 9th of April 2024. So as you can see over here, they have this section which is called as boost Param points. Now if I click on this, as you can see, you basically have to tweet using Param or @Param laboratory and like, retweet, quote, or comment. So the more social engagement you do, the more points you will earn. Now I've seen a lot of social engagement because they have an active follower of more than 500,000 people. So we can expect a decent airdrop out of it. And if we talk about the tokenomics of Param, in total there is like 2 billion supply and it's basically a deflationary token mechanism. Now out of which 2% would be for advisors and 6% will go in liquidity provision. And ecosystem and community incentives is like around 55%, which roughly equates to 1.1 billion. So I think 1.1 billion tokens would be airdropped, and then there is this token generation event unlock which is like 10%. So also there is a vesting period of 50 months. So this will help really, because the thing is like, if they give everything to the community, then there would be a huge dump once the token generation event is done. So in order to avoid the dump, there is a vesting period over here. And as you can see, they have mentioned this chart of circulating supply versus the total supply. Now there are few things that you have to note, that there is something called as Param points. Now these Param points are earned through farming system. So basically social engagement and the earn point system that I have shown you. And then there is something called as a soft staking system. Now this staking is not active yet. So if I go ahead and open the staking reward section, as you can see, they have something called as a NFT soft staking, and then there is Param token staking. Now in future you would be eligible for the NFT also, I think so, or maybe it's already there. I will need to go ahead and check it. And then there is something called as used to claim Param token airdrop. So this Param points would be uh, used to claim this airdrop, and also it will be used to claim the NFT airdrops. So because I saw like on the Kiraverse that there are some NFTs. Now I am not sure whether these Param points would be used to claim the Kiraverse NFTs or not, but we have to wait and see. And these Param points can also be used in their merge store. So the merge store is also not active yet. As you can see, there are few things that are yet to come, like there is achievement tab, then there is claim section, light paper, and merge store. And they also have something called as Kiraverse. Now I think Kiraverse, it's an online multiplayer game. So if you are into gaming, you can go ahead and basically play this. And they have few NFT collections over here. As you can see, there are these 4 characters where you can go ahead and collect them and maybe play this game. I tried to actually collect them, but I'm not able to collect them. As you can see, I've already connected my wallet, and it's showing that Kira Genesis collection designed by world renowned artist, but it's not available for claim yet, or maybe you have to go ahead and buy this. Now please note that this NFTs would be on the bit expensive side, I think so. The reason being, it's on the Ethereum network. So even if it's like, even if the price of these NFT tokens are less, the gas fees would be huge. I mean, if it was on L2s, then things would have been different. So we can go ahead and also check rent scheme on lootrush.com. So let's see this rent is available or not for this. It's taking some time to load. Maybe we can check it later. So first we'll need to sign up and everything. So yeah, you can basically go ahead and rent this, and the price for rent is like around 1 cents a day. So if you want to go ahead and rent it, you can go ahead and rent it. Now I will still need to check whether this NFT collection is available for mint or not. Maybe it's a in-game thing. I will need to go ahead and play this game, or maybe go ahead and download this game. So let's see. So this is all for this video, and this is how you can go ahead and farm Param Gaming airdrops. It's pretty simple. Just complete all of this and you are good to go. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.